Good morning, car parts, France. Today we are turning new engine. We start with L3V19 engine turn. The engine turns good. Power steering pump here good, no damage, no broken. Starter here also good, no problem, very nice, very good. From this side everything's good, all the sockets still in good condition. On top here also good, no problem, no broken, no damage. And the gearbox from this side good, no problem. In front here all good. And from this side turbo, everything's alternators good, no damages, very nice, very good. And down here the oil sump and the gearbox from down here, very nice, very good, no problem. And the engine is turning good.